Holy Batman, what a difference. All right, I've just taken the car out for a quick ride on the highway over bumpy roads, and man, I gotta say, these control arms have made a substantial difference. Now, you gotta take that with a grain of salt because this car has 169,000 miles on the chassis. So anything you're gonna do is gonna improve the outcome of the suspension and, you know, the tightness of the car. But with these Max Peanut Rod control arms, man, all of the slop, all of the funkiness, everything is gone from the front suspension of this car. The wandering back and forth on the highway, and just as a note, the stock control arms on the bottom are still stock. They haven't been touched, so that's going to be the next thing, but I just wanted to do, oh yeah. But what I've also noticed, look at that, is the tip-in. That means that the way the car goes into a turn, there must be an angle change on the control arm that Max Peanut Rods does not mention, obviously, because this is a copy of something else, so they probably, whatever. But this stuff response, man. Jesus Christ, man. So much difference. This car is so much more responsive. It's not even funny. Look at that. Front tires are like biting in. So that's the only thing I could assume that's really making the big difference. And if you notice, I'm hitting hard on the brake, and look, the car is staying still. It's not bouncing around all over the place. It's just doing what it needs to do. No squeaks and rattles except for the GM plastic, obviously. I'm gonna hit a big bump right here. Ooh, ow, yeah, baby. And one thing too about the control arms is that there's no harsh feedback, which is fantastic. Ouch, that hurt. But you can see, it's just nice. Man, what a difference. With my coupon code again, shameless plug. Let's push this car a little bit. It is just it's just fucking taking it. Yeah, I hit that damn bump again too. Fuck. But yeah, it is just nice, bro. Oh, it's hot in the car. Yeah. Nice job, Max Peanut Rods. Even though they're a knockoff. All right. 2 thumbs up. Well worth it. Plus, if you add the rear control arms and the Panhard bar into the back and the suspension as far as the springs and shocks that were done, oof. Yeah. What a nice difference. Fun, super fun car. Yeah.